Upwork is a popular platform for freelancers to find work and for businesses to hire talented individuals for various tasks. Find what you're good at and optimize your proposals. Here are some unique ways you can make money on Upwork and additional ideas you can gear towards Fiverr.com to offer your services as well. Just keep in mind, Upwork is generally the go-to for long-term projects and pay versus Fiverr being better for short tasks. Let's get started. Niche skill sets. Here are some examples. One, industry-specific writing. Provide content writing services tailored to specific industries such as healthcare, finance, or technology, showcasing your expertise in these areas. 2. Advanced data analysis. Offer advanced statistical analysis or predictive modeling services for businesses looking to gain insights from their data. 3. Custom graphic design. Focus on creating custom illustrations or graphics for businesses seeking unique visual elements for their branding or marketing materials. 4. Specialized software training. Offer in-depth training sessions for niche software or tools that are in demand but have limited educational resources available. Productized services. Here are some examples. 1. Social media audit and strategy. Provide an audit of a client's social media presence and develop a customized strategy for improving engagement and reach. 2. SEO optimization packages. Offer comprehensive SEO optimization packages that include keyword research, on-page optimization, and content strategy to improve clients' website rankings. 3. Website speed optimization. Provide services to optimize website loading speed, including image compression, code minification, and server configuration adjustments. 4. Email marketing campaign setup. Offer complete setup and management of email marketing campaigns, including list segmentation, automation workflows, and performance tracking. 5. Brand identity. Design packages. Create comprehensive brand identity packages that include logo design, brand guidelines, and collateral designs for businesses looking to establish a strong brand presence. 6. Social media content creation packages. Provide monthly packages that include content creation, scheduling, and management for businesses' social media profiles. 7. Online course creation services. Assist experts in creating and launching online courses, including course design, video production, and platform setup. 8. Webinar. Production and promotion. Offer end-to-end webinar services, from planning and promotion to hosting and follow-up, for businesses and thought leaders. 9. Personal branding packages. Develop personal branding packages that include website design, professional headshots, and social media branding for entrepreneurs and influencers. Coaching and consultation services. Here are some examples. 1. Executive leadership coaching. Provide one-on-one coaching sessions for executives looking to enhance their leadership skills and strategic decision-making abilities. 2. Financial planning consultation. Offer personalized financial planning consultations to individuals or businesses, helping them set and achieve their financial goals. 3. Digital marketing strategy. Consulting. Advise businesses on developing effective digital marketing strategies, including content marketing, social media, and paid advertising. 4. Career development. Coaching. Assist individuals in career planning, resume writing, interview preparation, and job search strategies to advance their careers. 5. Startup mentorship. Provide guidance and mentorship to startup founders on various aspects of business development, fundraising, and scaling their ventures. Language and translation services. Here are some examples. 1. Legal document translation. Specialize in translating legal documents such as contracts, agreements, and patents for clients operating in international markets. 2. Medical translation services. Offer translation services for medical documents, research papers, and patient records, ensuring accuracy and confidentiality. 3. Website localization. Translate and localize websites for businesses expanding into foreign markets, adapting content to suit cultural and linguistic preferences. 4. Gaming localization. Translate video game scripts, user interfaces, and marketing materials into different languages to reach a global audience. 5. Certified translation services. Provide certified translations for official documents, such as birth certificates, marriage licenses, and academic transcripts, meeting legal requirements for official use. Voiceover work. Here are some examples. 1. Character voices for animation. Provide voiceover services for animated characters, creating unique voices and personalities to bring characters to life. 2. IVR, interactive voice response. Systems. Record voice prompts and messages for IVR systems used in customer service, telephony, and voicemail systems. 3. Audio guides and tours. Record narrations for audio guides and tours for museums, historical sites, and tourist attractions. 4. Podcast production and editing. Offer podcast production services, including recording, editing, mixing, and mastering audio episodes for podcasters. 5. Video game voice acting. Provide voiceover services for video games, voicing characters, narrations, and in-game announcements to enhance the gaming experience. Here are some more ways to make money using Upwork platform. 1. Technical writing and documentation. Offer services related to technical writing, such as creating user manuals, technical documentation, or tutorials. Many businesses, especially in the technology sector, are in constant need of clear and concise documentation. Software user guides. Write user-friendly guides for software applications, explaining features, functionalities, and usage instructions in a clear and concise manner. System administration manuals. Develop manuals for system administrators, detailing installation procedures, configuration settings, troubleshooting steps, and best practices. Training materials. Create training manuals, slideshows, and video tutorials to educate users on software products, technical processes, or corporate policies. 2. Transcription and subtitling. Academic transcription. Transcribe lectures, interviews, or research recordings for academic institutions, students, and researchers. Foreign language. Subtitling. Translate and add subtitles to videos in different languages, allowing content creators to reach international audiences and improve viewer engagement. 3. Ebook formatting and publishing. Assist authors in formatting their manuscripts for ebook publication on platforms like Amazon Kindle. You can also offer additional services such as cover design, editing, and marketing assistance. Children's book formatting. Format children's books for ebook publication, incorporating illustrations, interactive elements, and age-appropriate layouts. Ebook marketing assistance. Provide marketing support for ebook launches, including keyword optimization, promotional strategies, and outreach to bloggers and influencers. 4. Data analysis and visualization. If you have skills in data analysis and visualization, there is a growing demand for freelancers who can interpret data and present insights in a visually appealing manner. You can offer services such as data cleaning, analysis, and creation of interactive dashboards. Predictive modeling. Build predictive models using statistical techniques and machine learning algorithms to forecast trends, identify patterns, and make data-driven decisions. Geographic Information Systems, GIS, mapping. Create interactive maps and spatial visualizations using GIS software to analyze and display geographic data for urban planning, environmental studies, and market research. Social media analytics. Analyze social media data to track engagement metrics, monitor brand sentiment, and identify influencers for targeted marketing campaigns. Customer segmentation. Analysis. Segment customers based on demographic, behavioral, and psychographic attributes to personalize marketing strategies and improve customer retention. Don't forget to like and subscribe.